We have the same table as before, a table of orders, where you can see I have the orders, the product number, the price per unit, the number of units sold, and the total, which is the product of units and the unit price. Now, the problem I would like to solve is a little bit different. I would like just to enter a number, for example, the number 2, which is my order number, and I would like to find out which values are given in here. Basically, I would like to look up in the table in the row, which is defined by the number given in my cell G4. And here we have a function which is called VLOOKUP. V stands for vertical because the table, my table in here, is organized vertically. That is, in each row there is one element with several attributes, but these are row by row organized in the same way. It's called vertically organized. The same first argument has always to be the lookup value. Basically, that's the key we are looking for. In here, it's the value in the cell G4. And then we have our table. I have given this table a name, which is orders. So you see it's directly offered in the menu. Third argument is then the row number, the column number within this table. The order number, the key number, the lookup value number is always the first. It has to be the first. And within this table, the second column is now what I'm looking for. So it's column number 2. It's not the column in here in the complete worksheet. It's relative to the number within this table. It's number 2. And then I have finally to say if it's true or false, if we need an approximate match or an exact match. What we need here is false. I will explain the difference in the next video. So what you will see here is product 0008, which is simply what we have looked for. I can check if I enter, for example, the 23. Yeah, this one has changed to product 0007, which is, as you can see here, correct. I have now completed all the other cells, and what you can see, it is basically the same function in here. However, it's tricky to autofill because this number 3 is not changed. It will always stay the same. So what you can do is make an autofill and make some manual adaptation later on. Again, VLOOKUP is looking for values within a vertically organized table. It's very important that the key, the lookup value, is in the first column of the table. And there is a different one, which is HLOOKUP, horizontal lookup, if you have a table which is organized in a different way.